Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let me introduce myself. I am Kuntal Mondal, first year MBA student at Medical College Kolkata. And this college, Medical College Kolkata, it is one of the top medical college in our state, that is West Bengal. Yes, I have also qualified JEE Mains and Advanced. So let's get into our video. So today our topic is the strategy for NEET 2024 and 2025 also. 2025 also, because the student who are in class 11 will have to appear to 25, so it is relevant for 25 also. So let's get into our video. So first thing that will I discuss, that is the physics, the subject that most of the students are scared of. But believe me, there is nothing to be scared of the subject. So if you follow the strategy, and if you clear your all your doubt and all your concept and make your concept rock solid, you don't have to be afraid of the subject. So let's start. So first you have to do, that is watch lecture. If you are in online batch, you will watch lecture, and if you are in offline, that you have to attend the class. In class, what you have to do, make notes in the class. Yes, make notes. Yes, make notes. Yes, make notes, and then you have to note all the numerical that the teacher are solving the class, because it is very important thing. If the teacher have picked up that numerical, that means it is important, and you have to make one copy for the numericals in the class. It is very important, believe me. These are the most important numerical of the chapter, because the teacher have lots of experience. So yes, it is most important. You have to make one copy for that numerical. Then after completing your class, coming back home, take a rest for some times, like 15 to 30 minutes. It is important to give a break to your mind. Yes, it is very important. After that, you have to do that, you have to go through the notes. Yes, go through the notes and the formula that you learned in the class. It will roughly take 30 minutes, maximum 30 minutes, depending on how much content you have studied. So after this, what you have to do, you have to refer to the PYQ, that is the previous year questions. It is very important that you have to solve the PYQs. Try to solve the PYQ. You must have any module. If not, you can search in the web for that PYQ, for that topic you studied. So try to solve the PYQ. If you are having any problem, yeah, and this is obvious that you will have problem, and everyone faces this problem, that everyone cannot solve the numerical at once. Don't worry, take your time. If you are having some problem to solve that, refer to the class note. Yes, refer to the class note. If there is any numerical related, similar to that you are facing problem, go through the numerical, learn every step, and clear your concept and doubt that you are having. Then you can come to the numerical and solve it. Firstly, solving numerical may take time, 15 to 10 minutes, or 5 to 15 minutes. Don't worry. At first, at early days, you have to make your concept and gain confidence. Confidence is very important for physics. Not only physics, for all subject, but for physics it is most important. And gain concept, solve. If you are taking time, don't worry, solve 5 to 10 numericals a day. at early stages it is enough, more than enough. Then if you have time, then refer to your study material, and you will have many numerical there related to the topic you read. So you have to solve that numerical if you have time. And you must at first you will have not time, but later as the courses goes on, you are pretty much confident, and you can solve things. After this solving all the thing, if you have time, then you can also refer to some other book like AC Burma or thing. For but for NEET it is not important to go through the AC Burma. Yes. Then the most important step, that is make short note, because if in yours in before the exam or before the class test, you will have not enough time to revise all the thing from your notes. So for quick referral you have to make a short note, and believe me, before exam it will help you a lot, and it will save your many times. So what will be in your short note? The obviously the formulas, yes, the formulas, and the short concepts, and the some data like the value of R, G, these constants, and lastly the mistake you made in during solving numerical or in the class. For this you will, if you have you can you should make another copy for that mistakes, and making copy for mistake is very important, because it will guide you a lot, because you learn from your mistake, right? So the mistake you make, if you revise that thing before exam or before class test, you will not repeat in this exam or the test. So it is very important to make any and copy for copy for copy for mistake. So you have to make the copy for mistake, and if you follow this all, you will definitely have very much confidence to solve the problem in NEET physics, and you can definitely score 165 to 170, even 180, if you follow the strategy and if you follow these steps. Then come chemistry, and the first two steps, watching lecture and go through the notes and formula, are similar or like same. Then in chemistry there are three units or three part. The first part is physical chemistry, then organic chemistry, and then inorganic chemistry. For physical chemistry it is same as the physics you have done in physics, that all the steps like 1 to 4, all the steps are same. For the physical chemistry is more of physics and is little bit chemistry. Yes, according to me. Then come to the organic chemistry. Yes, it is very important and hard, because organic chemistry is volatile. You learn and you forgot, you learn and you forgot. To master the organic chemistry you have to practice again and again, writing all the reactions again and again, like filling all your books, all your notebooks with the reaction. So for organic chemistry you have to revise the reaction and the relevant reaction mechanism, because all the mechanisms are not important for the NEET. There are some mechanism that is important, and questions comes from this, but all the mechanisms are not important in NEET. There are many mechanisms, but all the important, not all are not important. So how you will find it is important or not? The teacher will tell you which is important and which is not. And then make short note. In organic chemistry it is also important to make short note. And what will be in your short note? The reaction and some little bit point from that mechanism and the application. Yes, the application. And if there is any stereochemistry, write this. Then comes the make a copy for name reaction. It is, yes, it is very important. For organic chemistry, name reaction are, there are many name reaction in class 11, 10, 12 organic chemistry. So you have to make a copy for that organic chemistry, that is not only for organic chemistry. For the name reaction you have to make a separate copy for name reaction and revise this copy again and again. Like first in the beginning you have to revise this after 5 to 10 days, and after as the time goes on you can revise after 20 to 30 days or once in a week. Yes, you can revise this, and the more you revise the more you masters the concept of organic chemistry. And lastly, try to solve the PYQ and the question related to the topic. Again then comes the inorganic chemistry. And in inorganic chemistry it is like bio. Why I am telling this, because you have to read the NCRT each and every line, because in inorganic chemistry the question comes from directly from the NCRT lines. Yes, you have to, so for this you have to read the NCRT, and obviously we refer the class notes and the lecture. Obviously it is also important, and you have to solve more and more PYQ for inorganic chemistry. But most important, you have to read NCRT. And for physical chemistry also, I forgot to tell that you have to read NCRT also, because sometimes the question comes directly from the line of NCRT, so you have to refer NCRT for physical chemistry. And organic chemistry also, in organic chemistry you have to also just read the NCRT for the application based questions. So okay. And lastly there is bio, and in bio there is nothing to say, because you all know that for bio you have to go through the NCRT. You have to read NCRT each and every line. NCRT is the key for success in bio. You cannot think bio without, need bio without NCRT. You have to read NCRT each and every line. And then secondarily you have to watch lecture. Obviously it is important, and go through the notes, and obviously read NCRT, and you have to solve the PYQ and question related to the topic. And there are some tricks to learn the biology. You can make some flow chart, like you have to make short note for biology, but it is not relevant, because you have your NCRT, and it is very concise and precise and short, so you do not need any short note beside NCRT. But you can make some flow chart to remember some hard and memorizing chapter, like the classifications, biological classifications, and the animal kingdom, like this. These are some volatile chapter, and you forgot and there are some data centric chapter, but there are concept also. You have to master the concept, and you have to learn also, so you can make some flow chart. So thus you can score a good marks in NEET. So you have to follow all the thing, and for any questions and doubt or any queries you can ask in the comment section, and also you can DM me on Instagram for any other questions. So that's for today. I'm signing off. Thank you for watching my lecture. See you soon in next videos. Until then, keep studying, hardworking, and you can achieve the goal.